Assalamu alaikum students. I hope everyone is fine. This is your first class in this session. Welcome to the class. And you have one class, you have two drawing books. One name is Lines and Drawing and the other book name is Art and Activity. We can start first Art and Activity. Book 1 is specified for class 1. Class 1, open your book. Write your name here and your class name and section name here. Turn the page. Look at the picture. See the page number 3 and look at the picture. It looks like a space rocket. And read the statement. Fill colors in the picture as indicated. You can also see the picture. Colors are also mentioned in the pictures. You can read the color names and color over there. First of all, you can color here it's red, other is yellow and then blue. These are primary colors and other 3 colors are secondary colors: green, orange and purple. These 3 colors are primary colors. And now there is a little space. You can leave it as white color and the other 2 spaces you can color it as black. White and black are natural colors. You can color it as you can see that. Now after you complete your work, you can take a picture and send me. Then I will check your work. Thank you.